Welcome to English Daily Channel.
Hey Tom, why are you sitting here and staring at the table?
Oh, hi, Ashley. I was just thinking. There are so many English words. I try to learn them, but most of them I never use.
Yeah, I know that feeling. It's like learning words for nothing. You study, but then you forget because you don't use them.
Exactly. So, how do I learn the words that are really useful? The words I'll say every single day.
That's easy. Let's start with your bag.
My bag?
Yes. What's in your bag shows your real life. If you learn those words, you'll use them all the time.
Okay, that makes sense. My bag has some useful things, but I bet your bag has even more surprises.
Surprises? Huh, maybe. So let's make it fun. We'll open our bags one by one and learn English with every item.
A bag challenge. I like it. Let's start.
Tom, let's start with the school bag. What's the first thing you have?
Easy. A notebook. I always carry one.
A notebook. Do you really write in it?
Well, yes, but my handwriting is messy. Really messy.
Messy writing. I know that feeling.
Exactly.
Okay, notebook. What else?
Pens and markers. I like colorful markers.
Colorful markers make study more fun.
Oh, and I always bring a charger.
A charger. Good word. Let's explain. A charger is the cable you use when your phone or laptop has no power.
Right. No charger, no phone.
Exactly. So, in a school bag, you have notebook, pens, markers, and charger.
Wait, I also keep sneakers inside sometimes.
Sneakers? Why sneakers?
In case we have sports class.
Ah, sports class. Got it. That makes sense.
So, my school bag has notebook, markers, charger, and sneakers.
Nice list. My turn. I carry a notebook too, but also a highlighter.
A highlighter.
Yes, it's a special pen. It makes bright yellow lines on important words.
Oh, I see. Highlight means make it bright.
Exactly. So, my school bag has notebook, pens, highlighter, and of course, snacks.
Snacks. In class?
Yes, when class is long, I need energy.
Okay, fair. So, in a school bag, we can find notebook, pens, markers, highlighter, charger, sneakers, and snacks.
Perfect. That's the school bag.
English snack.
Ashley, I always hear people say, let the cat out of the bag. What does that even mean? There's no cat in my bag.
No, Tom. It means to tell a secret when you don't plan to.
Oh, like if I told everyone you eat chocolate at midnight?
Tom, that's it. You let the cat out of the bag.
Okay, lesson learned. No real cats, just secrets.
Okay, Tom. Now it's my turn. This is my purse.
Purse? What's that exactly?
A purse is a small bag for women. You carry it in your hand or on your shoulder.
Ah, got it. A small bag for daily things.
Right. And first, I always bring lip balm.
Lip balm?
Lip balm is like soft cream for your lips. When your lips feel dry or cracked, you put lip balm to make them smooth.
Okay. Lip balm makes lips soft and comfortable.
Exactly. Next, I have a small mirror. I use it to check my face before class.
That's so you, Ashley. Always ready.
And here's hand sanitizer. It's clear liquid to clean your hands when there's no soap and water.
Ah, sanitizer. I use it too after taking the bus.
See? Simple but useful.
Not bad. But now, my bag. It's not a purse, it's my tech bag.
Tech bag? Let's see.
First, my laptop. I use it for class and, okay, sometimes for games.
Of course you do.
Then, my charger. A charger is the cable to give your phone or laptop more power.
Right. No charger, no battery.
And headphones. I use them to watch videos without bothering people.
Smart. Headphones give you private sound.
Finally, my power bank. It's a small extra battery for my phone when I'm outside.
Nice. So your bag is heavy but smart. Laptop, charger, headphones, power bank.
And your bag is light but pretty. Lip balm, mirror, sanitizer.
See, Tom, you know all the English words for your tech bag very well. That's because you love tech.
True. When I like something, I learn the words fast.
Exactly. That's why we start with our bags. They show real life, and that makes English easier to remember. All right, my turn again. This is my gym bag. Let's see what's inside.
Finally, I've always wondered what you carry.
First, a towel. A towel is for drying sweat after exercise. Super important.
Oh, so you don't just use it after a shower.
Right. In the gym, people use towels to wipe sweat from their face or arms.
Got it. Towel equals sweat helper.
Next, a water bottle. I always bring water because after a workout, I'm really thirsty.
Yeah, that's smart. Water bottle's easy.
And here's a protein bar. Do you know what protein is, Tom?
Is it like strong food?
Exactly. Protein is the part of food that helps your body grow muscles. Chicken, eggs, beans, they all have protein.
Okay, so protein bar equals snack for muscles.
Perfect. And of course, gym clothes. I keep a light t-shirt and sneakers here, so I don't work out in jeans.
I tried that once. Very bad idea.
I believe you. So, in my gym bag, I have towel, water bottle, protein bar, gym clothes, and sneakers.
Wow, very professional.
Thanks. But wait until we check your gym bag later. I bet we'll only find a pair of smelly socks.
Hey, don't expose my secrets before we even look.
English snack. Tom, something just fell out of your bag.
Whoops. Oh no. Mr. Teddy, not now?
Wait, did you just say Mr. Teddy?
Yeah? He travels with me. He's, my bodyguard.
A teddy bear as a bodyguard? That's new.
Hey, don't laugh. He protects me from boring classes.
Best bodyguard ever. Tom, wait. Where do you keep your phone and wallet?
Oh, easy. I just put them in my pocket. Phone in the right pocket, wallet in the left.
That's so risky. What if something falls out?
Falls out? You mean drops from my pocket?
Exactly. If it falls out, you lose it.
Okay. But my wallet is small now. I don't even carry cash. Just a few cards.
Really? I can't do that. I keep everything in my purse. Phone, wallet, keys, lip balm, even a small mirror.
That's a lot. My pocket would explode with all that.
Exactly. That's why I need a purse. My wallet has cash, coins, credit card, ID, and even my student fob card.
Wait, cash and coins? Aren't they the same?
Not really. Cash means paper money. Coins are the small, round metal money.
Ah, so cash is bills, coins are the little change. Got it.
Right. And I also carry my student fob card.
Fob card?
Yes, a fob card is the little card that opens school doors, like a key card.
Oh, I see. So if you lose your fob card, you can't get in.
Yes, I'd be locked out.
I see. My wallet is boring compared to yours. Just my debit card, maybe my ID, and sometimes nothing.
Well, that shows the difference. You guys keep things simple, but we need more just in case items.
True. But hey, fewer things to carry, fewer things to lose.
Until you lose your whole wallet.
Okay, you win this one.
English snack. Tom, let me see your bag. What's inside?
Sure. Oh, it's empty.
Empty? Why do you even carry it then?
Because it looks cool.
So your bag is just fashion, not function. So, Tom, what about your travel bag? What do you usually pack?
Let me think. First,
I always take sunscreen.
Good idea. Sunscreen is the cream you put on your skin so the sun doesn't burn you.
Exactly. Without it, I look like a red tomato.
Same here. Okay, what else?
I take snacks. You know me. I get hungry fast.
True. Snacks are small food, like chips or cookies, easy to eat.
And this one.
What's that?
You know, this little machine. I use it to play games.
Oh, you mean a handheld game console.
Yes, that's the word. Handheld game console.
Handheld means you can hold it in your hands. A handheld game console is like a Nintendo Switch.
Right. I play games when I'm bored on the plane.
Interesting. I don't carry one. I just play games on my phone.
Yeah, but this one is better for long trips. The games feel bigger.
Okay, so in your travel bag, you have sunscreen, snacks, and a handheld game console.
That's right. That's all I need for fun and survival.
Survival? Tom, you forgot the most important things.
What?
Your passport and your boarding pass. Without them, you can't even get on the plane.
Oh, right.
Passport is your ID for traveling between countries. It shows who you are.
And boarding pass?
A boarding pass is the paper or QR code you show at the airport. It has your seat number and your gate number on it. Without it, you can't pass the gate.
Got it. Passport and boarding pass, number 1 for travel.
Exactly. Sunscreen, snacks, game console, fine. But without passport and boarding pass, you're going nowhere.
Lesson learned.
Hey, Ashley, did you know our school told us we should prepare an emergency bag?
Really? That's smart. Do you know what emergency means?
I think it means a big disaster.
Not only. Emergency means a problem you didn't expect.
Oh, so emergency can be small too.
Exactly. In an emergency bag, you can find an umbrella, a Band-Aid, maybe even a first aid kit.
First aid kit?
It's a little box with medicine and Band-Aids. You use it for small health problems.
Oh, I see. That's useful.
Yes. So, an emergency bag is not scary. It's just smart.
Okay, I get it now. From school bags to party bags, even emergency bags. We learned a lot today.
And every item gave us new English words.
Right, learning English from real life.
Exactly. And that's why we started with what's in your bag.
And now we have the answer.
Yes. See you next time with another story from daily life.
And before we go, tell us what's in your bag. Share it in the comments.
Great idea, Tom. We'd love to see what you carry every day.